Well, whether it's for a school snack or work lunch, it's hard to go past a freshly baked scroll, and with a whole range of toppings to try, they're the perfect choice for the whole family.
For more, we're joined by Coles ambassador Courtney Roulston, cooking with Coles. Court, let's go through this because we want something easy, tasty, that we can take to school and work.
Exactly.
Can you tick all those boxes?
And affordable
yes,
as well.
Of course.
I reckon, Shervo and Nat, we can tick all those boxes with this recipe.
What have you got?
So we're making a homemade dough for this, but of course you could buy Coles sell pizza dough already made, or you could use some puff pastry as well. This is a really simple dough. 1.5 cups of self-raising flour, 1 cup of Greek yoghurt, and a pinch of salt.
That's it?
That's it. Put it in a bowl and then gently mix it. It's almost like a cheat scone dough without any sweetening in it. Then all I've done, on a floured board, just get the dough and roll it out.
Okay.
So it's very soft. I believe one of you is going to help.
Do you have to let it prove or sit for a while?
No, that's the benefit.
Okay.
I know schools are funny about nuts and yeast and all of that. So there's no yeast, there's no nuts.
Because home cooks, don't you reckon dough is one of the scariest things?
It's really hard.
It is.
So no yeast, that's what makes it easy.
Okay.
Yeah, so just my top tip is don't overwork it. But literally, people watching at home, you can have these ready in the next hour and a half. It's that quick. So it's instant. So, Matt, you're going to do a pizza topping.
Yep.
I'm going to do a Vegemite cheese and caramelised onion topping.
Yeah.
So we've got some mum sauce here. This is just a tomato sauce from Coles.
So just like making a pizza?
Yep, just spread it out all over. So in my bowl here, I've got a couple of tablespoons of Vegemite.
I don't want to name names, but I used to work at Domino's.
Well, the competition is on. I think you've just thrown it out there.
Is that just Vegemite?
It's Vegemite and softened butter.
Oh.
So Vegemite will... You know, it can be a bit sticky. Yeah. The softened butter makes it taste like Vegemite toast, but it also makes it really easy to spread.
Even.
And, of course, if you're going to get kids to help, they're more likely to eat it if they help. It makes it easier. Capsicum I've got tasty cheese for my Vegemite one.
There we go.
I've gone a little bit fancy with some caramelised onion. This is optional. But literally, Nat, like leftover bolognese, spanakopita filling. Anything you put in a toasted sandwich or a pizza, you could put into these scrolls.
But it's fancier.
This is awesome.
Oh, look at you go. Are you Dougie the pizza boy?
I've done this before.
It's smelling good already.
And then literally once your toppings are in, my Vegemite...
literally going
everywhere.
And then soft hands, Shervo, you would know this with the dough. Yep. Roll it up. It's very easy.
I would know this.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, I'm an expert.
Yeah. You would know this. And then you cut them about an inch.
Ah, OK.
And literally, I know we always say with Coles recipes they're really easy, but this is really...
Can we do mine?
Just hack it with them.
OK.
There we go. I'll give you the knife.
Perfect.
And that's it. So you just cut them as thick as you like onto a tray, brush with a bit of egg.
Oh, OK. That makes it brown,
Look at this.
It makes it nice and brown and golden. 25 minutes in the oven.
Oh, it's a bit doughy in the middle, isn't it?
About 180.
I think I went a bit too tight.
180.
Bit too thick.
Not enough topping. Oh, no, that one's good. Look at that one.
Thick. Oh, that's better.
Yeah.
Well, you know, Domino's, I don't know if they're known for their toppings.
Not going to go there.
You were overdoing it.
OK, do we need this stuff?
You can put any of this in. Bocconcini, basil, they're just...
Any kind of topping.
Yeah, if your kids like olives or mushrooms, they can go in.
And here's some you prepared earlier.
There are pizza ones.
These are the ones you did, Shervo.
Yes.
You're amazing.
Brett has been at the Australian Open for the last couple of weeks. He's like literally dancing his way over here, ready to get involved.
Might just go there.
Straight to the savoury. They're both savoury.
They're both savoury. You could do sweet ones as well. You could put like jam in them. As I said, this is almost like a cheat scone dough.